Hi, welcome to the first video of Apache Jmeter tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to install Apache Jmeter in your Windows and Mac machine and how to install Apache Jmeter plugin manager. The prerequisite for installing Apache Jmeter is to have Java up and running in your machine. To verify that, go to the command prompt and type Java. Press enter and you will find something like this. This means Java is properly configured in your local machine. Next, type javac and press enter. You will get an output something like this. This means the Java compiler is properly configured in your local machine. Now we are ready to install Apache Jmeter. For installing Apache Jmeter, we have to download Apache Jmeter files first. To download, we have to go to this website. The website URL is given in the description box. Here in this page, you will find downloads available for your respective OS machine. You have to download it according to the operating system you are using. Once downloaded, you have to go to the Downloads folder to see the downloaded files. In Windows machines, you will find the Jmeter zip file downloaded and available. You need to extract the files. Now copy the folder and go to the C drive. In C drive, paste the copied files here. You can use any other location, but I find this location to be more convenient. Once pasted, we have to go inside the bin folder of the Jmeter directory. Here you will find something like this. Copy this path. Now go to Start and type environment path and click on the first displayed icon. In the system variable, go to the path and double click on it. The path window will appear on screen. Here, click on the new button and paste the path. Once you have pasted the path, click OK, OK and OK. Now go to the command prompt, type Jmeter, press enter and you will see the Jmeter application opening up on screen. Now once you have installed Jmeter, you need to install plugins. In order to install plugins, we need to have a plugin manager. Plugin manager for Jmeter is not available by default. We have to download and install it separately. This step is extremely important because the plugins we will be downloading will help us to write the Jmeter scripts. To download the plugin manager, go to this website or you can search for Jmeter plugin manager in the Google search. The URL is given in the description box. The first result that comes up on screen is the one we are looking for. Go inside the website and click on download. Once the plugin manager is downloaded, go to the downloads folder. There you will find the plugin manager jar file available. Copy the jar file and go to the C drive. Then you go to the Jmeter folder. Inside the folder you will see a folder named library or lib. Double click on the folder and inside that there is another folder named external or ext. Double click on it too. Now paste the copied files here. Once copied, you can now restart the Jmeter. When the Jmeter application opens up, you will find a flower-like icon present on the top right-hand side of the window. Once you see this icon, it means your plugin manager is now available. Before we begin with plugin download, there are other small changes you need to do in the configuration, and that is you need to enable the right access to the Jmeter directory. The purpose of this step is to allow Jmeter download and install plugins. We have enabled the right access to this folder. Now we can go back to the Jmeter. Here in the Jmeter, click on the icon. The plugin manager window will open up. The install plugin tab will show you what the plugins are already installed in your Jmeter. The available plugins tab will display what are the plugins available to be downloaded. From here you can download all the necessary plugins. For Mac OS users, you can open your terminal and run the following command to see Java is properly configured or not. Java and javac. To install Apache Jmeter, type brew install Jmeter. This will install Jmeter in your Mac. Any additional steps are not required for Mac OS users. Now you have Apache Jmeter properly configured and working in your Windows and Mac machine.